Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about some quantities of physics which are base quantities and derived quantity. So let's move. In physics, quantities can be classified as either basic or derived. Basic quantities are fundamental and are typically defined independently, whereas derived quantities are obtained from combination of basic quantities. Here's a detailed explanation of basic and derived quantities in physics. Basic quantities. Number 1, length. Length is a basic physical quantity that measures the extent or distance between 2 points. It is typically measured in meters. Number 2, mass. Mass is a measure of amount of matter in an object. It is fundamental property of an object and is measured in kilogram. Number 3, time. Time is a basic quantity that represents the progression of event. It is measured in seconds. Number 4, electric current. Electric current is a flow of electric charges. It is measured in ampere. Number 5, temperature. Temperature is a measure of average kinetic energy of particles in a system. It is typically measured in Celsius or Kelvin. Number 6, amount of substance. The amount of substance is a measure of number of elementary entities such as atoms, molecules in a sample. It is measured in moles. Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity measures the power of light emitted by a source in a particular direction. It is measured in candles. Derived quantities. Derived quantities are obtained by combining basic quantities through mathematical operation or relationships. Here are some examples. Number 1, velocity. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. It is derived by dividing the change in distance, length, by the change in time, seconds. Its unit is meter per second. Number 2, acceleration. Acceleration is a rate of change of velocity with respect to the time. It is derived by dividing the change in velocity by the change in time. Its unit is meter per second squared. Number 3, force. Force is a product of mass and acceleration. It is derived using Newton's second law of motion, which states that force is equal to the mass of an object multiplied by its acceleration. Its unit is Newton. Number 4, energy. Energy is the capacity to do work or transfer heat. It is derived from the product of force and displacement. Its unit is joule. Power is a rate at which work is done or energy is transferred. It is derived by dividing amount of work or energy by the time taken. Its unit is watt. Pressure. Pressure is a force applied per unit area. It is derived by dividing the force by area over which it is applied. Its unit is Pascal. Number 7, electric charge. Electric charge is a fundamental property of matter. It can be positive or negative and it typically measured in coulombs. These are just a few examples of derived quantity in physics. There are numerous other derived quantity, each within its own mathematical definition and unit. The combination of basic and derived quantity allows the physicist to describe the quantity, various physical phenomena and relationships. Hope you enjoyed it. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take